What is good, Snowman fam? It is Snowman 420, and we're back at it with a new review, yo. So, this one's interesting. This is a THCA, it's Liquid Diamonds. I believe it's Strawberry Fun Dip from the Dopest Yola shop to Dopest shop. I got this shit back when it was a limited edition, like 2 years ago, I think. And I just found it in my desk. Completely forgot I even had this thing. So I've been hitting this for a couple of days, and it's still working perfectly. Still tastes like a fresh yard, for real. Alright, so let me tell you about this thing. This was I think it was Strawberry Fun Dip. I got this back when it was a limited edition, when the Fun Dips were becoming popular in the Dopey shop. Damn, what the fuck? I didn't even know. There we go, there we go. I'm telling you, this shit's fire. This is a fire ass yard. This been getting me high as hell. Like, it's been having me higher than the Michigan shit for real. Yesterday, I was hearing this shit a lot. I was taking some blinkers out this thing with my buddy Josiah down Discord. Dude, nah, shit, you not. I was the highest I ever been in my life. I swear to God. Sorry, I'm looking over there, scanning some emails. Shush, this shit be ripping. We be repping the Ellen Ripsky. I've been calling it the Ellen Ripsky now. Not Ripson. From like Alien, but Ellen Ripsky off the Blinkerton. Shut the damn cart. Cause I fuck with all of y'all. You guys, real for viewing these videos. I'm gonna do some Blinky. I'm gonna hit a Blinky, and hopefully I don't cough my lungs out like I did on Discord last night. Give me 1 second. All right. We ain't no pussy. We're gonna fucking hit the Blinky. Fuck. 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 Oh man. Fuck. Oh fuck. Yeah. Yeah. Shit. Oh. Jeez, jeez, Molly's. I'm gonna leave all that in. You know I ain't no fake shit. You know I leave everything in my videos. Fuck. Oh man. Yeah. Oh, god damn it. Yeah. Oh man. Oh. And this, everyone, is why you shouldn't hit fucking blinkers. Ah, Jesus. Ah. Give me like 15 seconds to recover and we'll continue the video. Jesus. Alright, I'll continue the video. So, like I was saying, I was on call with my buddy. I just found it. I literally just found it on my desk. Like, I don't even remember why I stopped hitting it. It's like a full ass yard. So shit, I gotta start smoking this more often. It's gonna be high. I might try blinker again. I know I was just dying, but I didn't inhale. Maybe I did. I don't know. I'm too fucked up to even know at this point. Actually, fuck no. No, I should not do another blinker. Look how fucking. Like, I was just coughing for like 2 minutes straight. I don't think I should do another fucking blinker. That's fucking stupid. Jesus. I'll be honest. Heart's amazing. I'm just way too fried and fucked up right now to continue this review. Snowman out. I hope everyone has a good day. Like and subscribe if you want to. You guys aren't required to, but thank you for just watching the video. Have a good night. Snowman out.